election in Nigeria is too late to fix our problems. We need to get the hell out of Nigeria, because Nigeria itself is going to explode on every single one of us. I am asking Nigerians that are asking us that 2023 election is going to solve all our problems. What part of the problem has been solved since 1999? And why are we still living in denial that the Federal Republic of Nigeria is still going to work? Nigeria has done its own part in terms of destroying the lives of millions of indigenous people. Nigeria is not a country. It is put together for one purpose, and one purpose only: to suppress, subjugate, and also continue to have, Nigerians that are indigenous people backwards. We should not try to rectify or fix the problem of Nigeria. How do you want to fix Nigeria with the fraudulent 1999 constitution? The constitution that has been used since 1999. That same constitution is what everybody is also asking us to use for the new president after an election has been held. We can no longer live in the fake life that we have been given since 1999. I know some of you are always adamant that a lot of us that are outside the country are the one pushing the narrative for the breakup of Nigeria. But yes, Nigeria was also created from outside Nigeria. So if we are now saying that we do not want to be part of that system, then why should you say that those of us outside are the one trying to bring down Nigeria? Nigeria was created from outside, which is here in the United Kingdom. So there's no reason why we cannot also bring it down, if that is going to be the only way out. And fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tí à ń sọ fún ní gbogbo ìgbà pé election 2023 tí wọ́n pariwo kò lè solve problem wa, it is too late, and ó better kí a gbọ́ òtítọ́, nítorí pé òtítọ́ korò. Mo mọ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ẹ sì fẹ́ jẹ́ ká wà nínú Nàìjíríà, àmọ́ kí láǹfààní tẹ́ ti rí jẹ nínú Nàìjíríà láti 1999 tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe election? Kò mú result kankan wá, àfi ìyà, ìṣẹ́, kò síṣẹ́, nítorí pé àwọn tí wọ́n ń darí ìjọba Nàìjíríà bíi àwọn olóṣèlú yín, àwọn gangan ló ń kó bá yín. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwa tá wà níta kọ́ la fẹ́ da Nàìjíríà rú. Nàìjíríà ti dàrú látijọ́ tí wọ́n ti kó gbogbo wa papọ̀. A kì í ṣe ẹlẹ́yà kan náà, a dẹ̀ kì í ṣe elédè kan náà. Kólúkálukú ṣe tiẹ̀, káwa ṣe tiwa, kí Fúlàní ṣe tiẹ̀, káwúsá ṣe tiẹ̀. Òun nìkan ní ọ̀nà tí a fi lè kúrò ní Nàìjíríà o. Má jẹ́ kó tàn ẹ́ pé Nàìjíríà ṣì máa ṣiṣẹ́. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà, ní Ọláyọmí Kóìkì, tí gbogbo yín mọ̀ sí KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Follow us on all our social media handles. Say no to 2023 election. Nigeria is at the verge of breakup, and it needs to break up so that the indigenous people can have the better opportunity as against the fraudulent country known as Nigeria. Thank you so much, and let's continue to campaign. Say no to 2023 general election.